Hello guys, today we are going to see about atom. Do you guys know what are atoms? An atom is the smallest constituent unit of ordinary matter that constitutes a chemical element. Every solid, liquid, gas and plasma is composed of neutral or ionized atoms. Atoms are extremely small. Typical sizes are around 100 picometers, 1 into 10 power minus 10 meter. They are so small that accurately predicting their behavior using classical physics as if they were billiard balls, for example, is not possible. This is due to quantum effects. Current atomic models now use quantum principles for better explanation and predict its behavior. Now, let's see the properties of the atom. Do you guys know what are the components of an atom? Okay, let's see. An atom consists of electrons, a compact nucleus of protons and neutrons. Every atom is composed of nucleus and one or more electrons bound to the nucleus. The nucleus is made up of one or more protons and a number of neutrons. Only the most common variety of hydrogen has no neutrons. The electrons of an atom are attracted to the protons in an atomic nucleus by the electromagnetic force. The protons and the neutrons in the nucleus are attracted to each other by the nuclear force. This force usually is stronger than the electromagnetic force that repels the positively charged protons from one to the other. Under certain circumstances, the repelling electromagnetic force becomes stronger than the nuclear force. In case the nucleus shatters and leaves behind different elements. This kind of nuclear decay. Okay. All electrons, nucleons and the nuclei are like the subatomic particles. The behavior of electrons in atoms is closer to the wave at a particle. The number of protons in a nucleus is called an atomic number. Defines the chemical element the atom belongs, for example, and each copper atom has 29 protons. The number of neutrons defines the isotope of an atom. Isotopes are variants of a particular chemical element which differ in neutron number, the consequentially in nucleon number. All isotopes of a given element are the same number of protons but different number of neutrons in each atom. For example, an hydrogen atom, protium, deuterium and tritium. These are the hydrogen isotopes.